Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Jeep key fob. This is out of a 23 Grand Cherokee. And you're going to need a small flat tip screwdriver about this size is best, and also the replacement battery. This takes one of the 2450s, and you can get these off Amazon. For just a few dollars, there's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. First thing you want to do is find this button here, push it, and pull out your mechanical key. Next, this piece will be coming up. So just grab on either side very firmly, like that. Take your key and just push that back off. Lots of pressure. Once you have that out, take your small flat tip screwdriver and just work out your 2450 battery. The new one's going to go in positive side facing up like that. Push it in, and you can go ahead and test right now. Red light's working. This you just clip back on. Just clip back on like that. Push it in there, replace your mechanical key, and you're back up and running. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.